All right, part 3. Here we go. We were saying that the B term is 11 and the C term is 10. So we're trying to find the things that multiply to be 10 and that they add to be 11. And so my first guess was 2 times 5, that's 10. But when I check, 2 plus 5 is not 11. So I know that's not right. And then I have to brainstorm what else multiplies to be 10. And in this case, 10 times 1 equals 10, right? And then I try again. 10 plus 1 is 11. So I know that 10 and 1 are my factors. Those are the two numbers in my problem. And so I always set up my problem the same. And I'm just going to drop in 10 to 1 and the 1 into the other one. It doesn't matter what order you do. This is a multiplication problem. So multiplication is commutative. So I can switch the order, but that's my factored answer. You did it. Yay. Let's do one more. I have 2 more, but we'll just do one more for now. This has to do with a negative. Again, first identify. B is negative 15. C is 50. First, just make sure you know what B, and C are. So we're going to find things that multiply to be 50, but they add to be negative 15. This is tricky. They have to multiply to be a positive number, but add to be a negative number. This is hard. So things that multiply to be 50 are, 25 and 2, 25 times 2. But if I add 25 times 2, I get 27. I need it to be negative 15, so I know that's not right. The other problem is I got a positive sum and I need a negative sum. And so what one trick is, we have to remember that when I multiply 2 negatives, I get a positive number. So I could try that, negative 2 times negative 25. Multiplying 2 negatives, I get a positive. But adding 2 negatives, negative 2 plus negative 25, gives me a negative number. So I'm a little closer in that I got a negative number, but it's still not negative 15, so it's not that. So then I have to think, what else multiplies to be 50? 5 and 10. 5 times 10 is 50, but 5 plus 10 is positive 15, and I need negative 15. And so we can just make them both negative. Because multiplying 2 negatives, those signs are the same, so the answer is positive. And when I add negative 5 and negative 10, I get negative 15. So these are my answers. I kept going until I found the answer. If you go through and you've done all the factors of 50 and there's no other options for you, then you write the words cannot be factored. So some of these you just literally can't do the work. And when you get to that, if you tried all of the cases and it never worked, you never found one that added to be the right thing, then we write cannot be factored. But for this one, again, we set it up like this, and my factors are negative 5 and negative 10. So negative 5 and negative 10, and this is my answer. Again, if you wanted to check your work, you could do FOIL or the box method to see if this gives you the original answer. But that's factoring. Thank you.